Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more. First, let's understand the powers of 10, which is crucial when dealing with decimals and their relationship to fractions. The powers of 10 help us understand place value, which organizes the decimal system. Positive powers of 10, such as 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3, represent units, tens, hundreds, and so on. Negative powers of 10, like 10 to the negative 1, 10 to the negative 2, or 10 to the negative 3, represents tenths, hundredths, and thousandths, respectively. This helps us quickly identify the value of digits in a number depending on their position relative to the decimal point. Consider this pattern of numbers written as powers of 10. Do you think there is a link between the powers and the values? The decimal 0.1 can be written as 1 over 10 or 10 to the power of negative 1. The decimal 0.01 can be written as 1 over 100 or 10 to the power of negative 2. Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.